Although you may not always be notified about it, processes and applications sometimes connect to the internet to send or receive data. Because of this, your computer can get hijacked or infected by malware, especially if you are not aware of the vulnerability and you do not take any measures to protect the system against unauthorized access. GlassWire is a software utility that provides you with around-the-clock security when it comes to your internet connection, by monitoring the incoming and outgoing network traffic. Hence, it is able to detect and display information about every service or process that is currently making use of your bandwidth, as well as the IP addresses of each third-party connection. In order to make the data easier to read, the utility displays this information in graph form, which is updated every few seconds with your network's activity feed. In addition, the notification service also alerts you whenever a new connection is detected, and you can view separate feeds for applications and regular internet traffic. The firewall capabilities of the utility can be used to protect yourself from any unwanted connections, as well as block certain applications from being able to transfer data over the internet. Thus, you are able to choose which programs are allowed to use the network and send or receive information, by simply clicking on them in the provided list. As far as your bandwidth is concerned, GlassWire is capable of monitoring every byte of data that passes through the system, as well as display the information in an intuitive manner, using graphs and statistics. Thanks to this, you can see exactly which applications use the most bandwidth, as well as the IP address at the receiving end and the protocol used in the transfer. All in all, GlassWire provides you everything you might need in order to monitor network activity and protect your computer against unauthorized connections. In addition, the modern interface is intuitive and easy to use, making it very simple for anyone to take full advantage of its capabilities, without any previous experience required. See you next video, and now some music.